Exercise 1.3 Standard 11 Set Theory, or we can say sets. Let A is equal to a set containing element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this set A has some elements 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Okay, so first we want to check whether this set is a subset of A or not. This set is a subset of A or not. For the subset, what is the definition? If every element of set A is present in set B, then A is called the subset of B. So here let us check. Is 3 present in A? Alone 3 is present in A. What are the elements of A? First is 1, second is 2, third is a set 3, 4 and fourth is 5. So here 3 alone is not present here. Same way 4 alone is not present here. So therefore what you will say, this is an incorrect statement, or I can say false statement. What is the reason? Because 3 does not belongs to every element of this set should be present here. So alone 3, a digit 3, a number 3 is not present here. So therefore not a subset. Now second, a set 3, 4, the element, here the element is what? A set 3, 4 belongs to A. Means is this present in A? Is this there in A? Alone this 3, 4? Yes, 3, 4 is there in A. 3, 4 is there in A. So therefore this statement is true. Means this is an element of A. Yes, this is there. Okay, next. A set containing an element 3, 4. A set containing an element 3, 4 is a subset of A. So we want to check whether this is an element of A or not. Whether this is an element of A or not. Yes, 3, 4 is there in A, as in the second question. So this is again true. Now next, 4. Is 1 belongs to A? Means 1 is present in A. Yes, 1 is present in A. So therefore true. Is 1 a subset of A? First of all, definition of subset is what? If every element of set A is present in set B, then set A is said to be a subset of set B. But here 1 itself is not a set. It is an element. Set means what? The elements represented inside the curly bracket. So this is not a set. So as it is not a set, it cannot be a subset. Okay. So 1 is a subset of A is false. Because 1 is not a set. It is just an element. It is just an element. So therefore it is false. Next. A set 1, 2, 5. A set containing element 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. Okay, let us check. Does every element of this set is present in A? 1 is present in A? Yes. 2 is present in A? Yes. 5 is present in A? Yes. So therefore true. This statement is true. Now, is this element 1, 2, 5 a set containing an element 1, 2, 5 present in A? The whole elements 1, 2, 5 along with the curly bracket is present in A? No. 1, 2, 5 are present but independently. 1 is alone, 2 is alone, 5 is alone. Along with the bracket they are not present. This bracket is for the whole all elements. So 1, 2, 5 alone with the bracket is not present. So it is a false statement. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. A set containing element 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. Okay, let us check. Is 1 present in A? Yes. Is 2 present in A? Yes. Is 3 present in A? No. 3 is not present. 3 is present along with the set containing another element 4. So this is false. Null set belongs to A means 5. This letter is known as a 5. So 5 belongs to A. Is 5 there in A? A contains how many elements? 4 elements. First is 1, 2 and a set 3, 4 and 4. Is 5 there in A? No. So this is false. 5 does not belong to A. Is 5 subset of A? Means null set is a subset of A? Yes, it is true. It is a statement that null set is a subset of every set. So this is a true statement. It is a result. Null set is a subset of every set and every set is a subset of itself. Now next. A set containing element 5 is a subset of A. Let us check. This set is containing which element? 5. Is 5 present in A? Is 5 present in A? No. A is containing how many elements? 1, 2 and set 3, 4 and 5. Is this there? 5 phi 5? No. 5 is there. 5 is there, but phi phi is not there, so therefore it is false statement. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. Question number 4. So I want to write down the subsets. So this is a set containing an element A. So what are its subset? Null set is a subset of every set and A itself. Next, subset of this. So this set is containing two elements. So null set is a subset of every set. Then next subset will be a set A. Next will be a set B, and next will be itself. Okay, now we want to find out the subsets of this. So this set contains how many elements? 3 elements. So first null set is a subset of every set, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 1, 2, 1, 3, then 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 elements should be there. 8 subsets should be there. Why? 2 raised to 3. Same way, here 2 elements are there. So how many subsets? 4. 2 raised to 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here a set containing how many element? 1 element. So how many subsets should be there? 2 raised to 1. 2 hone chahiye. Okay. Now null set. So what are the subsets? Null set itself. Null set is a subset of every set. So null set is a subset of null set. So how many subsets? 1. Why? Because this set contains no elements, means 0 elements. So 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 means 1 subset.